Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're a teen and you want to know how to slay money management, you're in the right spot. Today, we're diving deep into some killer money hacks that'll help you master your cash flow like a pro. First off, let's talk about the struggle. Yeah, we've all been there. Managing money as a teen can be super tough, especially when you've got so many things you want to buy and not enough cash to go around. Wanting those new kicks or the latest game, but not having the cash. It's super relatable, right? We've all had that moment where we see something we really want, but our wallet just doesn't agree. But guess what? You can totally overcome this. With a few smart strategies, you can make your money work for you and still get the things you want. All right, here's the deal. Rule number 1, budgeting is your BFF. Seriously, it's the foundation of good money management. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of where your money is going. Yeah, I know it sounds boring, but trust me, it's a game changer. Once you start budgeting, you'll see how much more control you have over your finances. Grab a notebook or use a budgeting app. There are tons of free apps out there that make budgeting super easy and even fun. Write down your income, like allowance, job money, or any side hustle cash. Knowing exactly how much money you have coming in is the first step to managing it well. Then, list out your expenses. This includes everything from snacks and clothes to bigger purchases like gadgets or concert tickets. You'll see where your money's going and where you can save. It's eye-opening to see how small expenses can add up over time. It's like having a superpower. Next up, saving. Saving money might seem tough, but it's all about building good habits. I know, saving can feel like a drag. But think of it this way. Every dollar you save is a step closer to your goals. But think of it as paying your future self. Imagine how awesome it'll feel to have enough money saved up for something you really want. Set a goal, like saving for a new phone or that awesome concert. Having a clear goal makes saving feel more rewarding. Put away a little bit each week. Even small amounts add up over time, and before you know it, you'll have a nice stash of cash. Watching your savings grow is so satisfying you'll feel like a boss. It's a great feeling to see your hard work pay off. Now let's get real about spending. It's easy to blow through your cash on impulse buys, especially when you're out with friends or see something cool online. But here's the hack. Ask yourself, do I really need this? This simple question can save you a lot of money. If the answer is no, put it back. You'll thank yourself later. Making smart spending decisions now means more money for the things that really matter. Also, don't sleep on earning extra cash. There are so many ways to make money as a teen, and every little bit helps. Babysitting, dog walking, or even selling your old stuff online can bring in some extra dough. Find something you enjoy and turn it into a money-making opportunity. Find what works for you and get that bread. The more creative you are, the more opportunities you'll find to earn. And hey, don't forget about investing. It might sound complicated, but it's actually a great way to grow your money over time. Even putting a little money into a savings account with interest can make a difference. Over time, that interest adds up and boosts your savings. Or ask your parents about starting a simple investment. They can help you understand the basics and get started. The earlier you start, the more you'll have in the future. Investing even small amounts now can lead to big rewards later on. All right, fam, I want to hear from you. What are your best money-saving tips? Have you ever saved up for something big? Share your stories in the comments. Drop a comment about your money-saving hacks, or maybe a time you saved up for something awesome. Your tips could help someone else out. Let's help each other out. We're all in this together, and sharing our experiences can make a big difference. Remember, you've got the power to take control of your money and make it work for you. You've got this. With the right mindset and tools, you can achieve your financial goals. So hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the knowledge and help everyone level up their money game. Let's all level up together. The more we support each other, the more successful we'll all be. Catch you later, and happy saving. Keep hustling and stay smart with your money. See you in the next video.